So I am vlogging and I am driving. I really liked the Ulta haul that I did, and that one I was obviously vlogging, and I don't know, it was like really fun for me. So I'm gonna be doing it for this video, even though you're gonna watch this video before the other video, because the other video is going up on Monday and this one's going up on Saturday. So as you know, I really wanted to do my glue shoes, so I'm recreating Jenna Marbles' attempt. What's up, girl? Look at my videos, please. Watched that video. I watched it on Instagram. You know, they like recommend you stuff, and I love watching DIY, so I guess that's all they recommend me. And it was like part of the like 5 minutes or less DIYs or whatever, and I looked at it and I watched it and I'm like, okay, I kind of get it, that kind of looks practical. But then she did it and it was a complete flop. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try to do it and hopefully like I can make it work. So I'm taking you guys to Michael's with me right now. I have my handy dandy glue gun because I'm not sure if all glue sticks are compatible with every glue gun. I'm pretty sure some are thicker than others. Anyways, so yeah. You guys, I really like how my hair is looking lately. I'm going to do actually a video when I get my hair done, because I'm definitely getting my hair done. Maybe I'm gonna get it all done like this color, but I also need a trim, not too much, because I'm fine with my split ends, okay? I want it long and luscious. Look at these leaves. It's freaking happiness for me. I love fall so much. But yeah, I have a lot of stuff coming, so stay tuned, okay? Always stay tuned. I'm gonna update you anyways. Let's see. Let's go to the glue gun section. So I'm gonna have to go with the minis. $9.99. There's 20 of them in here, so I hope that's enough. Yeah, so I got the big pack of, oh, there's 100. What the heck? I saw 20. How much was this one? Oh yeah, this is a $9 one. Whatever, I guess. Okay, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I have enough now. So, yeah, guys, that is it for my little trip to Michael's. And we're gonna move on with doing the shoes. I'm probably gonna be wearing something different because it's a different day. And we gotta be looking fresh every time we make a video. I am going to be doing my DIY today, and it is going to be the glue shoes. Okay, I told you guys already in a previous video that I've been wanting to make this one for some time now, ever since I saw it. And this is in honor of Jenna Marbles. What's up, Jenna Marbles? And isn't like you're ever gonna watch this video, but I'm doing this in honor of you. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open this bad boy up. Finally, my goodness, it should not take that long. If you're a regular person, it won't take you that long. If you're someone like me, it's gonna take you longer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and trace it. I have my handy dandy pencil down here. I'm gonna use Sharpie. You know when you trace your hand and it like, you trace it and it just looks a lot bigger than what your actual hand is? I think this is what it's gonna do to this. Alright guys, so I did all of this work and then realized that my phone stopped recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and just revise with you what I did. So I went ahead and I traced the left shoe. You really only need one shoe because the other one you can just flip it over so that it's, you know, left and right. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another set of shoes. Well, not set, but another shoe, one shoe, okay? Am I recording? All right. Now that a glue gun is hotter, it's coming out a lot more easily.
Never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual. It might seem superficial, stereotypical man. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn.
My gosh, it's like dealing with spider webs or something. All right, so next we're going to do the band. I kind of just guesstimated. I put it, you know, face down like this, and then just went on from there. My two shoes are gonna be different styles because they look differently, but it's okay to be unique. So we're gonna let that dry. All right, so I'm just letting this dry. I think it's, yep. All right, so I'm gonna put them together and just kind of put glue on it randomly. Oh my gosh. Just like that, dot, dot, a freaking lot. And just layer that bad boy on. There she goes, just like that. Oh crap. Let's not jumble them together. All right, oh my gosh, what happened to my shoe? Okay, oh no, it got too extended. Oh gosh, it's all right, I can fix it. We're gonna start off by doing this. We're gonna start off by just gluing this piece on, right like that. A little higher up, yeah, just like that. Okay, we're gonna add this shoe right in here, just like that. Yes, okay. Who said it has to be perfect? Jenna Marbles didn't, so it ain't. All right, all right, all right. I got this. I'm gonna fix it. So we're just gonna stick that kind of in there, just like that, so. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna stick my glue gun and just press it down. Yep, that's it. We're gonna glue these together. Add some more glue and just glue it together. All right guys, so these are my glue shoes, okay? I made like 50 videos of me wearing them.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need.
They freaking suck, okay? I tried a little hard, but they hurt my feet. They hurt, and this one, the left one or the right one, kept freaking flipping over, getting stuck like this. Like I could wear shoes like this? No, okay? And then they didn't work, okay? Because, like, what am I gonna wear these to? The ball? There's no point of these. So really, I didn't even waste my time because I wanted to do this. And you know what? When you want something, you go and you get it. Even if there's no point. Because I'm not going to wear these ever.
But you know who's going to want these? My nieces. That's where you got nieces. Because the crap you don't want, you can give to them so that their parents can be mad that you're sending them home with crap that you don't want. So I mean, I got your blue shoes, girls. Yes, best on ever. All right.
So, like this video, subscribe, comment down below other things you want me to do, and I'll see you next time. Bye!